Hello and welcome back to Scrapping with Cynthia. Today I'm going to be working in my kitchen and I'm going to set up a little vignette. Look at these cute, sorry about that noise, iridescent plates that I found. These little saucers, and as you can see they were on clearance. I found a iridescent cake holder. This beautiful candle. And guess whose initial it has on it? I've already cleared out this area over here in the corner. And I've washed up most of the dishware that I'm going to be using for my vignette. I showed this to you earlier. It was a haul from HomeGoods. I'm also going to redo my pot in the window. I think I'm going to put something tall in there instead. These will stay the same. One thing new I do have here, instead of having the paper towel roll sitting on the countertop, I actually bought this one that mounts on the wall, and it actually came in silver, and I painted it gold. I'm going to start out by using this oversized tray. It's a gold hammered tray that I've been having for years. Now my countertops I do have a lot of space, and I'm going to move back so you can see. This is a very large tray, but it still does not meet the stove, and it's not falling off the countertop. So it would be perfect if you want something really grand in that corner. And look at that. After the candle has been burned out, I can keep that little jar as a little styling dish. I think I'm going to add one more thing. I can't explain it, but it was something about that wild, untamed grass. This is dry floral, and I thought they were so pretty. And yes, it is a fall grass. We'll leave it here for a couple of days, and I'll see how I like it. You know, you have to let things grow on you sometimes. Sometimes it may look funny, you know, like the first day or two, and then you have to let it grow on you. So if I decide not to keep this grass in there, most likely I'm going to add flowers. Or I may keep the grass and then add flowers to give it a more polished look. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. You guys have a wonderful evening.